नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं निखिल बिकाई के YouTube चैनल से। आज मैं हूं अमित सर के साथ। ये
Hello.
है ओनर चक्कीवाले.com के। अमित सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एग्रीइंग टू डू दिस इंटरव्यू।
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
सो कैन यू टेल अस अ बिट मोर चक्कीवाले के बारे में और कैसे स्टार्ट किया आपने, क्या था आपका जर्नी?
So the journey started around 10 years back. I'm an IT engineer.
Okay.
So I started working with our restaurant venture in around 2010. That time adulteration was in a very, the adulteration was in very huge scale. So we started, why don't we start our own things, getting involved wherein the flours, spices, we should all grind, and we should, the way we were using in our days back in our grandmas or grannies. So we started with the small thing, what we can utilize. But Corona has given us enough time to thought and think like what people are getting out of it. There is so many diseases, there are so many pandemics which are yet to happen and yet to overcome. So how to make the cycle which is 360 degrees with a zero waste, and let's have a natural and healthy products. So this is my core idea was from my wife Shivi Jarlia, and she has told me, Amit, let's start at a larger scale where instead of given to NH8 customers, let it to given to entire society, let it given to entire Bangalore.
So one sec, before that, I mean NH8 that's your restaurant venture?
That's
इसके बारे में और कुछ बोल सकते हो आप?
NH8, that's NH8 actually. NH8 signifies, there is a NH8 is National Highway 8, and it starts from Delhi and it ends in Mumbai. So the concept is to have the entire fusion food from Delhi to Bombay on the single plate.
Oh, okay.
So the entire highway on your plate.
Okay.
So people who wants to relish the food from Delhi side chaat or paneer kind of thing, then Rajasthani churma dal bati, then you have khandla, dhokla, that kind of food. So that is there in the entire plate.
Wow.
And everything is unlimited, and we have around 20 to 30 items on every day. We change our menu every day.
Wow.
And that is how, people keep coming. We started our journey with a, very small scale. And now we have around 4 outlets, and by God's blessings and people's love, we are keep, increasing.
आराम से चल रहा है.
It's going on. It's going on. People loving our food. And
so this was your first venture 10 years ago. NH8 is what you started.
Right.
And उस process में आपको लगा कि food में adulteration बहुत ज़्यादा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है. Food में adulteration बहुत ज़्यादा है. Spices में बहुत ज़्यादा है. फ्लोर्स के अंदर जो फ्लोर्स हैं, फ्लोर्स के अंदर आई कांट से इट्स अडल्ट्रेशन, बट द साइकिल, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द प्रीवियस एजेस, हमारे लोगों के सुबह उसी टाइम पीसते थे लोग बाग और उसी टाइम उसको कंज्यूम कर लेते थे.
ठीक है.
आजकल क्या हो गया, लोग आटा लगाते हैं, सुबह लगाते हैं, रात में यूज करते हैं. दिस इज रॉन्ग. अगर आपका आटा बच भी गया, यू शुड कंज्यूम इट ऑन सेम डे. आप उसका चपाती बना के रख लीजिए, रात में खा लीजिए, उसका बैक्टीरिया होगा, वो अच्छा आपके लिए अच्छा है. तो आप आटे का साइकिल भी कम से कम आपको 7 दिन से ज़्यादा आटा यूज़ करना ही नहीं चाहिए, पिसा हुआ आटा.
ओके. तो
हम लोगों ने देखा जो आटे आज ब्रांडेड कवर्स में आ रहे हैं, उनकी शेल्फ लाइफ 90 डेज है.
ओके.
एंड दैट इज द डे व्हेन दे हैव पैक्ड.
करेक्ट.
उस पैकिंग से पहले वो कितने दिन पड़ा हुआ है वो भी किसी को नहीं पता है. वो बड़े बैग्स में होता है, उससे पहले 50 kg या 100 kg के बैग्स में होता है.
ठीक है.
जब वो मार्केट में जाते हैं, देन इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू 5 kg और 1 kg और 2 kg बैग्स.
ओके.
So it means you are having a flour which is almost 3 to maximum 6 months old.
Okay.
Which is not recommended at all.
Achha.
Second, the coarse grain. The flour should be kneaded in a way that it can absorb enough water.
Okay.
But the flour these days are used to which are
talcum powder के.
काइंड ऑफ टेलकम पाउडर. आई कांट से टेलकम पाउडर, मगर हाँ बहुत बारीक है, बहुत फाइन है. और वो फाइन इसलिए है कि उसका वेस्टेज जीरो रखते हैं वो लोग. वेस्टेज नहीं रखना है उनको. तो जो भी होता है उसको मल्टीपल टाइम सीव करो उसको. द सीविंग इज सो फाइन, वो सीव होके ही निकलता है, उसमें कुछ भी वेस्टेज नहीं निकलता. दो द ग्रेन्स व्हाट द बिगर कंपनीज टेक, इट्स अ सॉर्टेक्स इज अ क्लीन, बट स्टिल दे डोंट वांट टू कीप एनी चोकर. या जो हमारे पहले के टाइम पे हम चोकर रखते थे, वो चोकर वाला फंडा वहाँ नहीं है.
ओके.
तो वो सीधा सा वो फंडा है. हमने ये खत्म किया. हमने कहा नहीं, चोकर चाहिए. उसके अंदर उसको फाइबर रिच फ्लोर्स हम लोग खाते हैं इसलिए कि उसमें फाइबर होता है. व्हेन यू हैव फाइबर रिच फूड, योर एंटायर लाइफ साइकिल और योर एंटायर मेटाबॉलिज्म साइकिल कीप चेंजिंग.
करेक्ट.
सो यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ फूड जो हमारे ट्रेडिशन में था. रागी है, लोगों ने रागी, जवार, बाजरा, मक्का ये खाना छोड़ दिया. इन लोगों को लगता है ये इंफीरियर फूड है, बट दिस इज द फूड ऑफ आवर नेशन. यही आप लोगों को खाना चाहिए. हमारा मल्टीग्रेन आटे में हम लोग 10 से ज़्यादा ग्रेन मिलाते हैं. इट इज़ ऑसम. I cannot reveal the configuration, but you can have whatever you needed as a child, as a young, or as a adult.
Wow. Okay. So you saw this adulteration and you're like, okay, I think.
Yes. Spices में तो इतना ज़्यादा adulteration है कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. कहाँ पे क्या मिक्स हो रहा है, तो मिर्ची चिली पाउडर में क्या मिक्स होता है, टर्मरिक में क्या मिक्स होता है, धनिया पाउडर में क्या मिक्स होता है, गरम मसाला, धनिया पाउडर, आपको लगेगा ही नहीं. जो मार्केट में गरम मसाला मिलता था आपको लगेगा ही नहीं गरम मसाला है. हमारे घर में गरम मसाला जब मम्मी खोलती थी तो लग जाता था कि गरम मसाले का डिब्बा खुला है, हींग का डिब्बा खुला है. दैट टेस्ट हैज गॉन. नाउ यू हैव टू बैक टू द रूट्स. आपको अगर आपके बच्चों को हेल्दी रखना है, आपको वो लाइफ साइकिल बनाना है, आपको वो एक हेल्दी चेन बनाना है, तो यू हैव टू गेट बैक टू योर रूट्स. एंड दैट इज व्हाट एवरीवन स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग दीज डेज. सो वी आर जस्ट डूइंग exactly what is required to the nation right now. Healthy life cycle.
Absolutely. So that was the whole idea behind Chakki Wale. So how did you get started then? You're like, okay, ये gap है, हम अभी start कैसे करें इसको, क्या करें next?
हुआ ऐसे कि like we were sitting in Corona, सब रेस्टोरेंट बंद हो गए थे, everything was stopped, and grocery only people were sitting and they ordered groceries and everything. And sometime we realized जो groceries in a month or two, because the stocks were not coming, the trucks were not coming from MP and there are other regions, और उसकी वजह से जो सामान मिल रहा है वो पुराना मिल रहा है. दाल के अंदर वो लगा हुआ है, वो खराब हो रही है वो. That is again, it's a moisture content, because I don't say it's a problem with the manufacturer or it's a problem with the atmosphere what we have in Bangalore or Bombay or Chennai kind of thing. Atmosphere makes pulses, grains spoils too fast.
Okay.
बट हमको ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि चीज़ें यार इतनी मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, चीज़ें पुरानी मिल रही है. तो हम लोगों को लगा यार इसका क्या करना चाहिए, हाउ टू मेक इट फ्रेश. तो बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी हैव यूनिट विच वी आर यूजिंग फॉर NH8, माई वाइफ परस्यूड, नो अमित, वी विल डू, लेट्स स्टार्ट इवन विद 1 or 2 products. Let people start having our flour, basic wheat, whole wheat flour and multigrain flour.
Correct.
Then we have trialed for almost 40 different versions of multigrain flours. 40 different versions.
Wow.
With a different configuration.
Okay.
कुछ ऑनलाइन पे देखे, कुछ मम्मी से पूछा, कुछ मेरी वाइफ की मम्मी से पूछा. मतलब वी हैव इन्वॉल्वड एवरीवन बिकॉज दे नोज मोर देन अस इन टर्म्स ऑफ फूड.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
तो हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे लोगों के रिव्यूज लिए एंड वी हैव अराउंड 40 डिफरेंट फ्लोर्स, वेरिएशंस बेस्ड ऑन द परसेंटेज कि किसमें कितना परसेंटेज होना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
देन फाइनली, और हम लोग हमेशा वो बनाते थे, हम लोग उसको नीड करते थे, डो बना के उसको खाते थे, एंड देन वी रियलाइज द टेस्ट. और जिसका हमको बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट लगता था उसको हम फिल्टर कर देते थे. देन वी फिल्टर अराउंड 5 फ्लोर्स की, यार ये मल्टीग्रेन में ये 5 बेस्ट है. देन वी पिक लास्ट वन, ओके दिस इज द बेस्ट. सो दैट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन स्टिल गोज इन. तो एक देयर इज अ चार्ट, वी हैव इनबिल्ट चार्ट, तो उसमें वो,
तो ये बन गया आपका प्रोडक्ट.
ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट बन गया. तो ऐसे ही हमने फिर बहुत सारे, फिर हमने देखे कि मार्केट में ऑर्गेनिक इज अ वेरी बिग, इट्स अ रिच टर्म आई से. wherever you use organic, the prices goes double or triple. I don't understand why.
Okay.
Why in India, if you want to eat healthy, why we have to spend too much? And why what you are spending too much? To avoiding pesticides? It's our right? Instead of spending too much on pesticide and talking about growth and growing your fields multiple times, you are actually not growing, you are spoiling it.
Correct.
It's like you keep your body, every day you keep some antibacterial things to your body.
It'll get damaged.
You feel good, but your body will become
अंदर से, मतलब
अंदर से खत्म हो जाएगी आपकी बॉडी. That is what is happening to our fields.
Correct.
That is what farmers are suffering these days. तो ये जो केमिकल और पेस्टिसाइड कंपनीज ने जो बड़े बड़े ऐड किए कि आपकी फसल दुगनी हो जाएगी, तिगनी हो जाएगी, कुछ जो फार्मर्स हैं बेचारे हमारे जिनको समझ नहीं है, उन लोगों ने यूज़ किया है इसको, और इसकी वजह से उनको हेल्थ इश्यूज़ भी हो रहे हैं, और जो फील्ड का जो नुकसान हो रहा है वो भी हो रहा है. यू डोंट बिलीव, बट there are few areas in Punjab where are more than 40% people are affected by cancer just because of pesticide. There is a train called Cancer Express which runs from Punjab to Rajasthan Bikaner border where there is a cancer hospital.
My God.
And farmers who cannot treat cancer by their own because cancer expenses are too much, getting it treated by your own, your you are giving all your savings. So there's a facilities in Bikaner, nearby Bikaner, government hospitals है कैंसर के लिए. वहाँ पे कैंसर एक्सप्रेस, उसका नाम ही कैंसर. I don't know what is the exact train name, but now it is known as cancer express.
बाप रे.
So these are the ill effects
Of pesticides.
and because they are directly exposed to pesticides, because they spray it, they sprinkle on the so these are the ill effects.
Correct.
So organic खाने का मतलब, you know what you are doing, and it's a vague term. I mean, I don't know what is happening, but I think organic मतलब आपको सबसे सस्ता और सबसे अच्छा करना है.
Correct.
Though these days the challenges are such like that कि अगर आपको organic करना है तो outcome will be very low. That is okay. We are suffered for 2 or 3 years, but at the end we have to reduce the cost. It is same like when we are launching a new product, the cost is too high. But sooner or later the prices should be go down. It should not happening, because organic is last 5 to 6 years, organic is very much in boom, but prices are still keep increasing instead of going down. Correct. So what we follow, we rather than going to organic, what we follow natural. We don't want organic, boss. We just follow natural. जो people who are using cow dungs, people who are uses the basic methodologies in the farming, we procure them. We don't get into organic. We just follow natural practices, and then we procure the different grains from MP, Punjab, Haryana. We procure our rice from Karnal. There are different spices from Gujarat, Andhra. Even there are spices, 1 or 2 spices which are coming from Assam and Kerala. So we are trying our best to get the best product in-house and then process it, clean it, and
sell it. So that's the whole.
There's a whole ideology behind the process.
Okay.
So we want to give an excellent product in a very competitive price. People should not have a pinch in their pocket.
Correct. अच्छा खाने के लिए
आपको it's not a process which where are multiple processes are involved, where the cost of the product is getting increased. It's not gold where making is making is involved.
Correct.
It's a basic thing. It's a daily commodity. You should have it. It can be accessible by poor. It can be accessible to rich.
Correct.
The process should be equivalent to all.
So that's the whole idea behind Chakiwala. That's how you got started. So next tell me, I mean, how did you go to market? Like market में कैसे पहुंचे आप starting में, और फिर online जाने का क्यों decision लिया आपने, और कैसे, how was that process?
Okay, interesting, a very interesting question. This is, I feel, not me, but I guess more than 80% of entrepreneur, I mean MSME or the smaller people who wanted to target market, पर उनका product उनकी दुकानों के और फैक्ट्री के अंदर ही खत्म होकर रह जाता है. And I really appreciate and I thank a product called Bikai, where they have given us a platform where each and every individual can publish or can go to the market by listing their products. It's an excellent platform, and the platform cost is like negligible. It's so cheap and best platform where you can integrate. There are many technologies you can enable at the same time. You can integrate APIs, you can have your payment gateways, you can have your deliveries taken care of. There are many things. It's not like you have to go outside, you have to talk to distributor, dealer, कि यार price कम कर दो, ज़्यादा कर दो. You can switch on your price, you can switch off your price, you can give a discount instantly. You need not to spend from marketing perspective or from dealer or channel perspective. If you want to give a discount, you can directly give the discount producing on your, just give a promo code, just give a additional discount, just click it here and it will be published. The next moment it will be published and it will be across the Bangalore, it will be across India at a moment. They have already tied up with the delivery partners where you can just integrate the pickup and the delivery addresses are there with the delivery guys. They pick up and they deliver. And the prices are also very genuine in terms of retail segment. They are working in B2B to C, which are more competitive. And so actually speaking, we started with Google Forms.
Okay.
But managing them, and when we started, we didn't promote anything. I mean, our promotion is zero.
Okay.
So we started with the neighborhoods, the neighboring apartments. People start ordering, and there are people who start ordering from, around 5 to 10 kilometers away from us. And we were clueless, like how these people are aware of it. We started realizing our product is getting involved by multiple persons.
ये सब आप Google Form में track
ये हम लोग Google Form में track कर रहे थे. And I spent you know, around, if let's say tomorrow is the delivery, so our cycle is like that. Today we receive the order, tomorrow morning entire grains came out, we mix or whatever, then all the ladies clean the product again and it gets into the grinding. It's a slow grinding. We grind it, we pack it and we deliver, try to deliver on the same date.
Okay.
So the day you have the flour grinded, it will be delivered on the same date.
Okay.
So the challenge what we have, let's say today we are compiling, 10 o'clock we close the order. Tomorrow morning I have to sit for around 2 to 3 hours to just working on the Google Sheets. और ऐसा होता था कई बार Google Sheet पे किसी का order बहुत लंबा है तो कुछ miss हो जाता था, कई बार कोई duplicate हो जाता था. There are errors which are, you know, as a human it's really hard to avoid.
Correct.
And I was like, yaar, this is not a scalable way to do all these things.
Correct.
And going to hire your own website on delivery partners is way costly. We were already suffering from Corona. All our outlets were closed. So with the minimum expenses, what could be done? So we started searching, and then
you came across
here the Bikai who came to rescue. And when I see the product cost, the kind of functionalities we have, it's like, wow, amazing. This is what I need. This is what more than 50% of small scale entrepreneurs need.
Correct.
There are many small villages where there are very small artifacts. There are many things which are getting crafted and done at small villages. They are not exposed to market. They don't know what to be done, how to be done. So this is a very layman. I mean, it's not a technical or very rocket science kind of things. A basic layman person can go and use Bikai. You just have to know your product. You just know what your product looks like. You just put an image, you just describe your product, put a rate, and that's it, done, publish. And your product will be global or state-wise or regional-wise, wherever you want to deliver. But yes, as far as you know your visibility, it can be global. It's just your website, abc.com or chakkiwale.com. Thank you, Bikai.
So, मेरे को ये बोलिए आप, you listed on Bikai, तो how was that process? Start कैसे किया आपने और sales कब कैसे start हुए?
Okay. So, as far as we come to know about Bikai, I mean, first of all, I didn't, I was surprised, like, at this price, I don't think so. It's like, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. I think
natural Indian instinct वही है.
It's not a doable product, man.
कुछ गड़बड़ है.
कुछ गड़बड़ है इसमें. It won't be successful. ये ऐसा नहीं चल सकता. So what I have done, I've just took a basic version, which is like around 2,000 per year, which is like 200 a month, equivalent to one ice cream scoop. So I thought, okay, let's give it a try. So we have taken the product. I've just listed 2 or 3 products, and I've asked all my guys in my different stores, wherever the guys are staying, my close friends, my family. I said, okay, boss, this is our link.
Okay.
And I don't know, is surprising did it work or no, but I've just listed 2 or 3 products. What you do, just go and order it.
आपने बस 2 ऑर्डर लिस्ट
सिर्फ मैंने 2 प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट किए. मैंने अपने सिर्फ क्लोज, किसी को भी हमने बताया नहीं कि ऐसा कुछ करना है. सिर्फ हमारे रिलेटिव्स को और मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल को, हमारे एम्प्लॉइज को बताया कि भाई दिस इज व्हाट इट नीड्स, गो एंड ट्राई गिविंग ए ऑर्डर. लेट्स सी इफ इट हैपेंस और नॉट.
ऑर्डर आएगा भी
200 रुपए में ऑर्डर आएगा कि नहीं आएगा वेबसाइट के ऊपर और गेटवे सब यूज करके. People started giving orders, and it's like I start getting notification. There are multiple variations of notification. You can have alarm, you can have notification, you can have vibrated notification. So I say there is a notification. You have received an order of this and this, and this is your amount which is processed. Amount gets processed immediately, and I said, wow. When I opened it, I see, okay. When I opened, okay, there is a receipt. Even there is a receipt which can be downloaded, which can be shared by customer. You just have to have printer configured. If you don't want to have a printer, just share this the invoices with your customer on WhatsApp, or with the delivery guys on the WhatsApp, or your executive or your store manager on the WhatsApp. You can have a multiple members. You can have your team to be also involved, who can, with the multiple rights, they can have access to see the orders, who can configure the orders, who can add the members. So it's very easy for us. So I am the one, or there is another guy who takes care of the listing and all. And there are other guys who can see the order, who can process it, they can change the status. So it's a very it is a very much configurable product where multiple access and multiple roles can be configured.
तो आपको orders आने start
So
हुए?
orders आने start हुए और I was like, यार, come on, really? And when I started, then I given a try to the channel partner where delivery works.
Okay.
So there are very basic steps you have to take care of it, and then I just
Selected the delivery.
opted the delivery.
Huh.
And the next day delivery driver came to my surprise. Oh my. And I just given the delivery guy the packet, and the packet get delivered, and the process was seamless. I mean, amazing. And then we had a meeting, online meeting. Okay, guys, this product is working. Now we have very few, because it's between our 5 to 10 guys, and it's been only 2 products. What we did, let's start putting around 20 products. Then we added 20 products, and I took hardly half an hour to list 20 products because I have the images ready with me.
Correct.
Because we were ready to go for some alternatives, so have images, description, everything ready. So I just use the bulk add option, just tuck. You have the desktop version of the same. You can have the desktop version if you have the description ready in your Word file or Excel file. You just copy paste and done. So I opted for desktop version. I done it. It took 30 minutes for me to list 20 products, and then I said, okay, now order more than 20 products, and order all of you do simultaneously.
Let's see how much load it can handle.
Yes, and orders were coming. There is no issues, and then we realized, yes, this is the right platform, at least for our need in the current scenario.
Correct.
When we started growing our platform, product is also, Bikais is also evolving based on our need. There are multiple CRM factors. There are multiple promotional factors which are already included. There are deliveries. I mean, is whatever is required by small enterprises in terms of CRM, in terms of product listing, in terms of payment, in terms of statements of your payments, everything is there. You need not to bother. It's a very simplest and very easiest way to go to market. So it's amazing. So the journey with Bikai is amazing. Actually, it gave us a stimulus to go into market. Otherwise, it was really challenging for us. Otherwise, what we have been doing as a typical market, we would have been going to the shops. Okay, yaar, hamara saman rakh lo. We will give you 10% discount. We will give you 20% margins or whatever. And then the product goes higher what we are selling it.
Correct. Price unka बढ़
So
जाता है.
currently our margins is hardly 10 to 15%. We are keeping all our margins around 10 to 15%, getting our product cost, transportation cost, cleaning, packing, everything included. On top of that, we are hardly taking 10 to 15%. If I wouldn't have done this, I think my product must have gone for almost 25 to 30% costlier than what is we are doing.
Right now, chakkewale.com.
Yes.
ये correct बात है actually. I mean, normally speaking, direct to customer is always
a good approach.
correct.
And to get there, what you need? A platform like Bikai. Without platform, you cannot reach, especially in the digital India or digital market where everyone's sitting at home, seeing their mobile, seeing their desktop, laptops. Everyone wants to ease to, quickly order.
Correct.
The concept has gone to make a grocery list for an entire month, and then you go to a grocery store, bag full of groceries, done with monthly groceries. The concept has gone.
Correct.
Now it's a bi-weekly grocery concept has come, and which is online.
Bas.
So everyone wants to have the easy, and there is no point going to the market, spend your time in traffic, in chaos. You just get exhausted out of it.
Correct, absolutely. So my next question is this. You started selling on Bikai, or apart from that, like, how big is your catalog now? How, like, abhi kitna se, कितने products list किए आपने? क्या features use कर रहे हो आप?
Yes. So the product what we have now, we have different categories, and we have more than 60 to 70 products under different categories: flours, spices, pulses, grains. Even we started our sweets also
correct.
going live by Bikai, because we have our we hardly have 6 to 8 sweets which are our niche sweets or which are specialized. And to open a sweet shop is very difficult to have only 6 to 8 sweets.
Impossible, Lexto.
And if you want to have an entire gamut of sweets, there are only hardly 8 to 10 sweets which generally people have. No one have all the gamut. If you go,
Correct.
you generally have what you have. अगर आप बाहर जाते हैं या तो आप जलेबी खाएंगे, गुलाब जामुन दे दो, हलवा कुछ ले लो, रसमलाई. These are the basic sweets which we are specialized at.
Okay.
To open a sweet shop with these sweets is very impossible. Even if it is possible, then the cost is too high.
Correct.
People not gonna come to a shop where only 8 to 10 sweets. Then you have to have charts and everything. So how do you capture that market? People like it. They want to have NH8 sweets, but how? So this is the platform. So we started publishing our 6 to, we have already around 8 to 10 sweets which we have published, and people orders the sweets from us.
Oh, superb. Okay.
So there again we break the store concept from factory to direct customer.
Correct.
So instead of getting the cost into the fixed cost like rents and maintenance, salaries and all these things, you spend the same cost on your product.
You buy better ingredients.
You buy best ingredient, what I say.
Correct.
I mean, what I say as per my product is best. But I am not the right one who should claim. It's my customer, it's the user who should know what we are giving them.
Absolutely.
After effects, what you are eating, how you taste and all these things.
Absolutely. So my next question is this. Chakki wale ke liye 100% you would have considered Amazon, Flipkart and all these platforms. Why did you decide to go on Bikai first, not on all these platforms?
See, you want, if you are an entrepreneur, you want to be a really entrepreneur, right?
Correct.
I should run my business on my own terms.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
I shouldn't be a puppet on other hand.
Correct. Absolutely.
So if I'm going to Amazon or Flipkart, then I have to somewhere compromise on my terms. The way I want to publish my product, or Amazon says, we don't keep anything which has a shelf life lesser than 3 months. We don't keep. I mean, as a company perspective, okay, they have their right and they must be doing it because they have to travel across the globe, and it is not good to have a product shelf life lesser than 90 days. But product what I am selling, they are not sellable for 90 days. I mean, there is no use.
आप जो healthy selling point फटाफट खाना, like flour को
use flour को फटाफट खाना है यार, उसको पीसो और खाओ, पीसो खाओ. अब उसको मेरे को बोल रहे हो यार 90 days के लिए shelf life. I can do it. I mean, I can get my test done to any lab and get it certified for 90 days. It could be. But actually that is not the way you should be.
Correct. Specifically चक्की के लिए
चक्की के लिए वो नहीं है. अदरवाइज चक्की का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं होता.
Correct.
पुराने जमाने में रोज सुबह लोग पीस के और सेम डे पीस के खाते नहीं.
Correct.
तो मैंने कहा नहीं यार. Then there is lot of margins which are involved.
Correct. Amazon, Flipkart is known for having
very high margins. And who gives the margin? Because I am not going to shell from my pocket. Right?
Customer
It's the end user who has to pay.
Correct.
तो कोई 10 रुपए की चीज के लिए आप 40 रुपए क्यों? Why to take 40 rupees from them? I don't want to see, but I don't want to comment on each and every product or what the strategies people are having. But जो चीज X amount की है वो X into 2 और X into 3 की उन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे बिक रही है.
क्योंकि
मार्जिन्स हैं, लोगों के पास एक्सेसिबिलिटी नहीं है, लोगों के पास पता नहीं ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे वो चीज़ शायद आपके 10 किलोमीटर या 20 किलोमीटर पे मिल रही होगी, मगर वो बंदा जो बना रहा है वो सिर्फ एक बड़े स्केल पे किसी को दे रहा है, वो लोगों के एंड यूजर के पास पहुंच ही नहीं रही है. सो वी हैव बीन स्टार्ट गोइंग टू डिफरेंट जोन्स ऑफ यूपी एमपी. हम कोशिश यही कर रहे हैं कि कहाँ से जो लोग डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं वो हम लेके आए और अगर वही हम लोग अपने पब्लिश करें एंड दे कैन सी एट व्हाट प्राइस वी कैन सेलिंग देम.
करेक्ट.
I mean, it's nothing hidden. It's not like I take from you, I keep my mark on it, and then I sell on whatever rate I want to.
Correct. Interesting.
So there are few things which we have took from couple of ladies, and we took only 10% of margin and we sold them, and people are really liking it.
Absolutely.
So it's a really transparency. People are also confident giving their product. Okay. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट X अमाउंट पे है तो मैं X plus 10% ऑफ इट आई एम टेकिंग. ही इज ऑल्सो रीजनेबल यस यार 10% तो आप ले सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, 10-15% ले
आपका भी
सकते हो,
खर्चा निकलेगा।
मेरे को भी तो पैसा मिल रहा है ना एटलीस्ट।
करेक्ट।
वो अगर उसको X-10 में दे रहा है तो मैं उसको एटलीस्ट
Amazon पे पहुंचते Amazon फ्लिपकार्ट पे पहुंचते बहुत बढ़ जाता है। बहुत बढ़ जाता है। Interesting. So that's a really nice perspective. So tell me this. I mean, what would बिकाई के जो कस्टमर्स हैं सब आपके जैसे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं who are starting off and who are trying to do something, उनके लिए क्या मैसेज होगा आपका?
See, Bikai is a platform where you can do whatever you want. If you are confident, if you have courage, if you want to be persistent on your product, just go, give it a try. Don't afraid. The first step to go on market is Bikai. I trust me, Bikai is a platform where you can easily go without pinching your pocket. I mean, a guy who started something in a 10 by 10 room can go to Bikai. It's a leverage for you. Don't miss this opportunity to go and, start with the basic things. And there is a market, the digital thing enables India to deliver any product from any corner of India to another corner of India. And that is what they are enabling for you. And the cost of delivery has to be bared by the customer. Or it depends on how you produce or how do you grow or how you make or how you manufacture your thing. It depends. So just utilize this opportunity to get your product to the customer, to the end user, and let him see what exactly you are doing. Want other market rulers to diminish your product. Okay, so don't, the product what is X rupees, let it be on X plus 10 or X plus 20. And the 20 rupees what you are getting, use it to increase the product performance instead of running on your expenses. So that is the key feature, key highlight. Just reduce your consumption, reduce your expenses and directly go to end user. And Bikai is an excellent tool for that.
Great. Thank you so much, Amit ji.
Thank you.
Really enlightening for me as well.
It's a pleasure, and I'm really thankful that Bikai in a digital India, they have came to rescue, because everyone talking about digital India, everyone talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, मगर इस आत्मनिर्भर भारत को हम आगे लेके कैसे जाएंगे? मार्केट कौन करेगा इस आत्मनिर्भर भारत को? हर किसी के पास पैसा नहीं है कि वो शोरूम डाल के या दुकान डाल के बैठ जाए.
Correct.
हर किसी के पास इतना पैसा नहीं है कि वो लोगों को 20-30% मार्जिन देके अपना प्रोडक्ट दे दे. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको समझ में नहीं आता कुरियर क्या है, व्हाट इज कुरियर, कैसे करना है, किस एड्रेस पे जाना है, कौन डिलीवरी, किसको कैसे करना है. देयर आर मोर देन 20% आर नेटिव विलेज मैन्युफैक्चरर्स और नेटिव प्लेस बुनकर हैं, जुलाए हैं, जो चीज़ें छोटी छोटी बना रहे हैं, कैसे मार्केट में आएंगे? तो उनको ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म की ज़रूरत है. तो इवन आई वुड से इवन द गवर्नमेंट शुड ऑल्सो टेक्स some gets into the consideration where these kind of companies should get the GST exemptions, the income tax exemptions, so the growing India take leverage of these kind of platform. Thank you
so much, guys. Please, if this is not at all some sort of a fake interview, I'm really with Amit sir, who owns chakkywale.com and owns NH8 restaurants. You can check him out. You can write to them directly and they will reply. मैं description में link डालूंगा chakkywale.com का. But yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you everyone.